Yes, once again, this is Jully Tech Clinic, and today it's a good Tuesday. We have received this laptop from our client, and it's Dell Latitude 3190. So our client told us that this laptop has 64 GB storage SSD, but he has tried to send it to different technicians that wanted to upgrade, but they told him that this laptop has an onboard SSD and there is no slot for an external SSD, therefore he cannot upgrade it. Let us check. Yes, you can see the storage seems only it has a 64 GB SSD. If we go to the disk management, nothing extra. There is only local disk C with the 64 GB SSD. Now, the client told us that he wanted to upgrade it to at least 828 GB SSD. So let us go and see if we can help him. Watch this. Yes, let us go and disassemble our laptop. Yes, so this is our laptop, you can see, and this is our motherboard. Yeah, there is no slot for SSD, no slot. As you can see, we have CPU, we have the battery, there is no slot, but there is an option. You can add a slot, we can add a slot. There is no slot, but we can add the slot here. You can see, let us go and check it well in our microscope. Yes, but one thing, because the board is too large, we can just use our naked eyes. There is no necessity of a microscope here. So let us check it. If you can observe well, there is a section here labeled SSD. Yes, you can see a section labeled SSD, but the problem is that there is no slot. So I believe that we can add a slot here and add an SSD. See? Section labeled SSD. No slot, but we can add a slot. So let us go and add the slot so that you can see if it works or no. So let's go and take your motherboard out. Yes, our battery is out. Battery is already out. So let's also get our motherboard out. Let's get these cables also out. To avoid prolonging the video, I have skipped some sections while I'm trying to disassemble so that our video don't go too long. So this is our motherboard out, as you can see. Let's go and try to place this port so that you can see if it works or no. Now, I have removed this section of the port from my dead motherboard, and I'm going to place it there so that I can see whether it works or no. So let's go and check it. Yes guys, so this one is the slot that I've removed from another motherboard. Let us try to place it here to see whether our procedure will be successful or no. Yes, so you can see it stays now. What's left is to use the rework station so as to place it there. Yes, let us use the hot air station to complete the exercise. I'll use this method to solder it, because if I could try to pour the heat on the upward, what could happen? This material here is a plastic, so probably it could liquidify. That's why I've tried to use the heat from the downside. Yes, you can see it's heating up. Yes, it almost has heated up, so let me provide a little support. Yes, almost it's okay. Turn off my station and wait a little bit for it to cool. Let it cool so that it solidifies well. Guys, as you can see, now our slot is good. It has stayed the position. What's left here is to go and return our motherboard to the board so that we can try to power on and insert an SSD to see if it works or no. So let us proceed. Yes, so I have my DC jack in. Okay. Connect these cables as well. This is a cable for audio jack. Cable for keyboard. Yes. CMOS battery. The inserted display cable. Let's lock in. What else? Now I can try to insert only one screw because I'm going to make a trial. I won't assemble the motherboard. So what's left here? Let me use this SSD as a trial. So let's insert an SSD. So we have got the port where we can insert our SSD. Let us go and insert it. Yes, well, it fits very well. Let us fit our SSD there. Yes. Let's get it in. One of my screw went down. Let's also insert battery in with only one screw because we are making the trial. Just use single screw. Then battery in. Now let's power on our laptop. Let's power it on with SSD inserted. Let's power on and see if it reads, if our SSD reads or not. I have inserted 256 SSD. So let us check whether it's detected or not. SSD makes the laptop have a high speed because this laptop uses Intel Celeron processor, but you can see its booting speed is high because it uses SSD. So that's a proof that laptop with SSD boots fast. As you can see, it's already on. So let's go to this PC and see. Yes, you see, previously we had only local disk C, but you can see we have this 256 SSD. So our procedure was successful. Yes guys, please show us support by subscribing to this channel. You'll have given us enough support, but also make sure you like, and if you have any comment, you can just comment there. Till next time, goodbye.